In this video, I will show you how to use Dexscreener to find meme coins. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, Dexscreener is basically a crypto application or a crypto site, a crypto website that helps you to find a whole lot of meme coins, right? And if you can see, there is a whole lot of chain right here. There are meme coins on Solana, Ethereum Base, BSC, Arbitrum, Hyperliquid, Avalanche. Like there's a whole lot of blockchain right here, and I'm gonna show you how you can find meme coins on any blockchain. Now, if you want to find meme coins here on Solana, right, what you need to do, you can find the newest pairs, right? These are tokens that are launched within 5 minutes. If you come on here, change this from 5 minutes, change this from 24 hours to 5 minutes, right? Then you can still come on here and change this to new pairs, right? You can see tokens that are launched very early. Yeah, so if you come on here, change this to, I think, pair age should be new pairs, I think. Yeah, so you can see it. If I come on here, this age, I'll change this age to, yeah, it should be, I think, yeah, like this. So you put it to new pairs, newest. So here we are. You can see that this token is a minute old. This token is 2 minutes old. So this is it. This is basically how you can find meme coins right here on Dexscreener. And this filter currently, if I go on to Ethereum with that same filter, I'll be able to find a whole lot of meme coins. Okay, you just switch it from this to this new pairs, right? Once I've switched it to this new pairs, you'd come on here, change this to 5 minutes. It's basically how you can find meme coins, right? If you want to buy early, you'd see a whole lot of new meme coins that are launching very early, right? So if I change it to this newest, you can see that this meme coin is just 6 minutes old, right? It has generated a volume of $758, and this token is 22 years old. It's 22 minutes old, right? Volume of 20k. This token is an hour and 16 minutes old. Volume of 13k. And if you check the market capitalization, you see that this token generated, okay, this token has a market cap of $1 million, right? This token has a market cap of $5 million. So if you come on here, you can see there are various market capitalizations, right? And you can still do this for any chain you want. It can be on Base, on BSC, on Arbitrum, on Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid launched a few days ago, so there's a whole lot of volume entering this Hyperliquid now at the moment. So if you see, this token currently is $8, right? So these are tokens that are launched under Hyperliquid with this market capitalization, right? This market capitalization. So there is a whole lot of blockchain right here. Like if we start listing all of them, there's a whole lot. So you need to focus on one blockchain. Basically, I would recommend you stay focused on Solana, right? This is basically not a financial advice, but there's a whole lot of volume here on Solana. If you look at most of these coins, you see that most of them are doing really well. This is Moti is $7 million. So if you open this coin right here, you see that this coin, in a space of, okay, a day and 7 hours, it has generated $7.2 million. That is its current trading volume, like its current fully diluted value, that is FDV, fully diluted value, right? So this is the volume for the past, let's say the past a day and 7 hours, $41 million. This is a whole lot of money. So this is the buy volume, more than $20 million. So the buy volume is a whole lot, right? So you can see this, you can check this. So this is the graph for Moti, right? So you can change this to 15 minutes. can change this to a second. You can see the graph, you can see the chart, right? You can see the chart. So this basically how it looks like. So this is the contact address, this is Moti, this is the contact address, and the chart is looking good, right? Chart is looking good. So you can scroll down. Let me see, I can push this up, right? So you can see people are buying. Someone bought with $2,000 37 seconds ago, and this $2,000 would give him, I think, around this is it. If I check this, $2K would give him okay. So this is it, $2K. If I go on here and check how much $2,000 would give me, that is with the worth of Moti, I would come on here, $2,000 to give me 269,000 Moti, right? So this is not bad. So this is basically how you can find meme coins here on Musho, here on Dexscreener. If you got any questions you want to ask me, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'd be really glad to help you guys the very best way I possibly could, right? So ensure you watch through this video. This video is basically an educational video, and nothing I said in this video is a financial advice. So ensure you play your game well, right? Ensure you do the needful things. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.